Have you ever wondered about the true power of music? Not just as entertainment, but as a living bridge to an ancient heritage. We're diving deep into Umemulo songs, the soul-stirring melodies of Zulu culture that celebrate strength, womanhood, and traditions passed down through generations. Ready to discover the profound emotional resonance of these powerful anthems? Forget what you think you know about traditional music. Umemulo songs aren't just cultural artifacts, they are living, breathing celebrations of power and ancestral pride. We're unveiling the captivating world of Zulu musical traditions, revealing how these profound songs echo the strength and heritage of a remarkable people. Prepare to be moved by their timeless significance. Forget dusty museum pieces. Umemulo songs aren't whispers of the past, they're roaring rivers of power, flowing with the vibrant pulse of ancestral pride. Prepare to be swept into the heart of Zulu musical traditions, where every note is a shimmering thread, weaving tales of strength and heritage. As relevant and breathtaking today as they were centuries ago. Have you ever wondered what truly defines a woman's journey into adulthood within a vibrant culture? On Umemulo Day, the first thing she hears is not advice, it's song. Voices of mothers, aunties, sisters, and friends gather around her like a shield. The rhythm steadies her breath, the chorus gives her words when nerves try to take them away. Umemulo songs are call and response on purpose. The lead calls her by name and the crowd answers, reminding her that womanhood here is not a solo act. Praise lines link her to ancestors. Playful chants praise her grace and strength. Ululations, ukukikiza, crown each step of her dance. With every beat she learns the script of confidence. Feet firm, back tall, eyes forward. The lyrics don't ask her to shrink, they invite her to rise, claiming beauty, agency, and belonging.